Well, they have been caught on tape making inflammatory speeches and inciting the mob in Muzaffarnagar. But despite this glaring evidence, the UP government has failed to act against these hate-monger politicians that cut across party lines. What is stopping the Akhilesh government from acting against these rabble-rousers?
A city trying to move on. These survivors trying to pick up pieces of their crushed lives. But these men are unrepentant. SP leader, BSP MP, former Congress MP, who are now named in an FIR for allegedly inciting violence, but no action has been taken against them so far.
That if somebody has been named in the FIR and investigation is on, the IO has the right to arrest the person if he feels that he needs to arrest that person. So then the Judicial Commission would not hamper the process of investigation.
Look carefully at this man. This is Qadir Rana, a BSP MP who allegedly incited crowds, but is still and has now gone underground.
Despite massive criticism, Akhilesh government is still hesitant to act against the accused politicians. Sensing government's inaction, the accused BJP and BSP MLAs roam about freely, claiming that they have been falsely implicated for flaring communal tensions, thus raising a big question mark on government's claim to act against those responsible for Muzaffarnagar riots.
It's very surprising and I would say disappointing, because on the one hand the Chief Minister has been saying repeatedly that no one will be spared and very firm action will be taken. But we find that the politicians who really incited the riots and who set the trigger for all that happened, they are still roaming about freely.
Even as their words spilled carnage on the streets, these leaders remain brazenly defiant.
मैंने अपने समाज को के स्वाभिमान को जगाने का काम किया, मैंने वहाँ हथियार बांटने का काम नहीं किया.
Everybody has a right to address a rally. They are only subject to reasonable restrictions. It's for the state administration to decide whether the reasonable restrictions are apply or not, whether the man has exceeded his limits. Second, let me educate you, an FIR does not automatically mean an arrest.
Even as these hate-mongers roam free, who will answer the cries of these people who for no fault of theirs are paying the price of brazenness of a few? Bureau Report, Times Now.